Hi, this is Karen Cardell with Arctic IT, and we're going to take a look at closing inventory in Microsoft Dynamics GP. The first thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that all your transactions are posted over here in inventory, as well as in the sales order module and sales order processing and your invoice entry. And then we're going to come back over to inventory and we're going to reconcile our quantities. We're going to hit utilities, reconcile. I'm going to go ahead and choose to reconcile all my item numbers, and I'm going to go ahead and include my item history. I'm going to select process, and we're going to print the report to the screen. And once my report prints out, I can go ahead and open that up and take a look, or I can choose to print it. And I'm just going to go ahead and close here. And the next step is going to be, we're going to make sure we get an inventory count done. And we either have an outside system to do our count, or we use the inventory count functionality within GP. And then we can go ahead and make our inventory adjustments after the count using transaction entry. And then we can go ahead and print our reports. So we'll go to reports. And there's some different reports we can print: turnover reports, good report. We can go ahead and print our stock status report, any type of the inventory reports that you think would be helpful for year end. At that point, we're going to have our IT department make a backup of GP. And then finally, we're going to come over here to routines, inventory, year end close. And I'm going to select to remove my discontinued items. You can also choose to remove your sold lot attributes and your sold receipts and change history prior to a date. And then we're going to update the item standard cost if you've had cost changes. I'll go ahead and leave that blank and just select a process. And it's going to go through and make its processes, and it will not produce a report. So do not be expecting a report from your inventory close. Once that's done, we can then choose optionally to close the physical periods. So I'm going to go to administration, and then I'm going to go find my company and my physical periods. And I'm just going to go ahead and close inventory at this point. Let me select my year, and I'll go ahead and mark to close my inventory, then say OK. And once we're done with that, we can go ahead and have your IT department make a final backup, and you're done with your inventory close.